Good evening, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I am coming up with 5 magic short tricks on differentiation. अब क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे 5 सेकंड के अंदर and if you learn these tricks properly, then I am very sure you will come out with flying colors. I am coming with my notes. Hello friends, I am coming with my notes here. Look here, these are for derivatives. These are the tricks. MST number 3. ddx of fx raised to power gx is equal to fx raised to power gx, and within the bracket, here it is gx, here it is g dash x, here it is f dash x over fx. अगर इसका इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं, it becomes log fx. So this is the trick. So whenever we are finding the derivative of fx raised to power gx, सबसे पहले सेम लिख दीजिए, देन gx इंटू एफ डैश एक्स ओवर एफ एक्स लॉग एफ एक्स इंटू जी डैश एक्स. नाउ आई एम कमिंग विद द एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 इज देयर. इफ y इज इक्वल टू एक्स रेज पर साइन एक्स, instead of fx it is x, instead of gx it is sin x. Now substitute in the trick and you will see that question is done in 5 seconds. So if y is equal to this, so here you have to write y. Gx is sin x here. So sin x into sin x over x. X is fx. So and sin x is gx. So it is gx into derivative of fx. fx is x. x का derivative 1 over fx, and this is plus log x. sin x का derivative cos x. देखिए, अगर 1 over x का इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो log x होता है, sin x का डेरिवेटिव करते हैं तो cos x होता है. तो ऐसे आपको रिमेंबर करना है कि जब कभी हम ये लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन करते होते हैं, दैट इज बेस के ऊपर भी, बेस भी x के टर्म्स में होता है और एक्सपोनेंट भी x की टर्म्स में होता है. इन दैट केस वी ट्रीट इट एज y एंड y कम्स हेयर. sin x derivative of x, that is 1 over fx. This is fx. fx is x. Derivative of fx is 1 over fx, that is x. Log x into cos x. Now same way, look here, it will be done within seconds. Here fx raised to power gx, fx raised to power gx as per the formula, as it is, that is y equal to fx raised to power gx, fx raised to power gx, y e raised to power x, derivative of this secant x, that is secant x tangent x over secant x, plus log of secant x into e raised to power x का derivative e raised to power x. Question is done. Simply apply the trick here. So now let us go to next trick, MST number 4. See here, y is equal to square root fx plus square root fx plus square root fx, so on up to infinity. Its answer is always f dash x over 2y minus 1. Now look here, there is an example. So instead of fx, it is sin square x. Instead of fx, it is sin square x. Okay. Now here fx is sin square x. What we have to, what is the derivative? dy by dx is equal to f dash x sin square x का derivative 2 sin x cos x over 2y minus 1. Question is done. Similarly, y equal to square root log square x plus under root log square x plus under root log square x up to infinity. And this is the trick. you have to write f dash x over 2y minus 1. Here fx is log x whole square, and derivative of log x whole square is 2 log x. 2 नीचे उतरेगा, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, and log x का derivative 1 over x. So only we have to find the derivative of this right here, and in the denominator 2y minus 1 comes. Now let us go to MST number 5. Look here, MST number 5 is fx raised to power fx raised to power fx shown up to infinity. Its derivative is dy by dx y square f dash x over x minus x within the bracket 1 minus y log x. Simply we have to find the derivative of fx. Here fx is x and its derivative will be 1. Its derivative is 1. So it will be y square 1 over x minus x within the bracket 1 minus y log x. That's all. Question is done. In this case, second example is y is equal to sin x raised to power sin x raised to power sin x shown up to infinity. Compare it. Fx is, here fx is sin x. Its derivative will be cos x. So y square cos x over sin x, that is, here it is as per the formula fx 1 minus y log x. 1 minus y log x. So this is very, very easy. Now let us go to next MST number 6. MST number 6 is magic short trick number 6. If y is equal to ax plus b raised to power n and y क्या होता है, fx होता है, then f dash x is equal to f raised to power r, rth derivative. f r x is equal to a raised to power r npr into ax plus b raised to power n minus r. So here n is greater than r. Now we will compare it. Look here, fx is, in this case fx is 2x raised to power 19 minus x raised to power 7, and we want to find its 10th derivative. Look here, as per this formula, r is 10 here, f10 x is equal to a raised to power r, here a is 2 raised to power 10, 2 raised to power 10, within the bracket npr, n is 19, and r is 10. So 19p10 x raised to power n minus r, x raised to power n minus r. Right here 19 minus 10. So question is done. This is 2 raised to power 10, 19p10 x raised to power 9. Let us go to second example. fx is equal to 4x square minus x raised to power 7. We want to find the 12th derivative, and 12th derivative will be 0 if n is less than r. Look here, the second part is here, if n is less than r, then it is equal to 0. In this case also, what is n here? 8. What is r here? 12. So here n is less than r. So in this case answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. That's all. Let us go to next MST. MST number 7. Look here. It says let gx be inverse of fx. Then f of gx is equal to x or g fx is equal to x. So देखिए, अगर ये एक दूसरे के उलट हैं, f g को काट देगा, g f को काट देगा, x बच जाएगा. सो दे आर इनवर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. इसका डेरिवेटिव f डैश, इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे f डैश gx बैठा रहेगा, फिर अंदर चलो gx का डेरिवेटिव g डैश x और x का डेरिवेटिव 1. सिमिलरली g fx is equal to x. So derivative of this g dash fx and fx का डेरिवेटिव f dash x is x का डेरिवेटिव 1. This is done. So in this case, fx is given to you e raised to power x cube plus x square plus x. Gx is f inverse x. So by applying this trick, what we will get? F1 will be e raised to power 3. Similarly, in this case, fx is x cube, gx is inverse of fx. So g dash 1, in this way, applying the same trick, it will come out 1. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope that you will do the questions with flying colors if you remember these tricks. Thank you. God bless you.